morning to all of you. After a long time, I'm again back as I was busy in some CBSE work. So Ambalika Miss was taking your class. Now I'm back and I'm going to start with chapter 4, cubes and cube root. She has completed exercise 4A. Now this is time to start exercise 4B. This is 1st June, write down the date and the date. Today we have to go start exercise 4B. In this exercise we have to do shortcut method to find out cube of a particular number. Shortcut method. So class, we have to calculate the cube of a plus b cube. This is a plus b whole square into a plus b. Just see, here the power is 2 and here the power is 1. Altogether the power becomes 3. In a plus b whole square, it is already completed by you all. Then the formula says this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is a plus b. Here we will start multiplication. We will multiply a by the whole equation and again b by the whole equation. Let us see what happens. A into a square, a cube, plus 2a square b plus a b square plus a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. I will give you still photography of all those. You have to write it down. Now see what happens. A cube, 2a square b and a square b altogether becomes 3a square b plus ab square plus 2ab square. Altogether it becomes 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. Now we have to calculate this formula with the help of shortcut method. I will move to this side. The shortcut method of calculating the cube of a particular number. So we have to form a box for this. Let us form a box. Here in this box, it will be written as a square, b square and b square. B square, b square, a square, a square. Now we have to multiply this by a, this by 3a, this by 3b and this by b. You have to learn this. ऐसा कोई particular reason नहीं है कि क्यों किया जा रहा है, because we have to form this formula. So a square, b square, b square. यहाँ a से multiply किया, इधर b से. Here it is multiplied by 3a and then 3b. So what comes? A cube sorry 3a by b and this b by a. 3a square b and 3a b square, and here it is b. Suppose I am having a number 11. I have to do 11 cube. Let unit digit is 1 and the 10th digit is again 1. एक को a assume कर लिया, दूसरे को b assume कर लिया. अब इसको हमको इस फॉर्मूला में भरना है ताकि हम कंक्लूजन तक आ सकें. Now let us see. A, B both are 1, 1. Here it is 1 square, again 1 square, 1 square, again 1 square. Because in this, instead of A, it is 1 and at the place of B, it is also 1. Now to multiply by 1, by 1, by 1 and by 1. A is 1, here it is 3B, means into not only 1, 3 into b. The value of b is 1. 3 into 1, 3. Here it is 3a. The value of a is 3. One square 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 square 1. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 square 1 into 3 ones are 3, 1 3s are 3. Here again 1 square is 1, 1 into 1 1. अभी जैसे स्क्वायर वाली जब मैं हम लोग शॉर्टकट मेथड से कर रहे थे, आपको नीचे नंबर नोट डाउन करने हैं. Here is 1. अब ये नंबर डबल में नहीं है, सिंगल डिजिट है, तो हमको सिंगल पूरा का पूरा नंबर नोट डाउन करना है. अगर ये 13 होता तो 1 इधर जाके आगे ऐड होता, और अगर यहाँ भी 23 होता तो 2 इधर जाके ऐड होता. बट ये सिंगल सिंगल नंबर है, तो हमको ये सारे सिंगल सिंगल नंबर नीचे नोट डाउन कर लेना है. मीन्स 11 cube is 1331. Class, there are only 4 sums of exercise 4B. You have to note down all the 4 sums. The first one is 25 cube, then 47 cube, 68 cube and 84 cube. Just move to this side and I will do question number 1. Exercise 4B, question number 1. This is 25 cube. Let A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. Now let us see what happened. This is the table. A square, B square was there. No? A is 2, means 2 square. Again 2 square. B is 5, means 5 square. Here it is also 5 square. Let's see what comes. Here it is 4, 25 and 25. Now what to multiply? Multiplied by A, that means 2. 4 multiplied by 2. Again multiplied by 3B, means 3 into B is 5. Then multiplied by 3A, 3 into A is 2. And then multiplied by B, means 5. Let us see what happens. 25 5s are 125. Here 25. 3 2s are 6. 25 6s are 150. 5 3s are 15. 15 4s are 60. And 4 2s are 8. Now this is the time to sum up. Add करने का time है. From here I will note down 5 only. और ये 12 इधर जाके यहाँ ऐड होने वाला है. यानी कि it becomes 162. 162 का 2 यहाँ लिखेंगे और ये 16 इधर जाके ऐड होने वाला है. 76 6 हम यहाँ लिखेंगे और ये 7 इधर जाके ऐड होने वाला है. That becomes 15. और ये 15 पूरा का पूरा डिवाइड हो जाएगा. That is 25 cube. I think class you must understand what I have taught. You have to complete all the 4 sums of exercise 4B, and in the next class we will start exercise 4C. Thank you. Have a nice